unless it's my dogs, they won't.
So they just rode up on them and started searching them, huh?
Yeah.
The dude walked down there and said it's these guys here.
But I mean, that guy didn't do anything. The guy that they started searching or anything, he didn't do anything. He just started walking out.
So so earlier today, my old lady heard an explosion, and it shook the house. Just about 10, 15 minutes ago, we heard it again. And somebody said it's coming from this house right here, that like they're throwing out pipe bombs or something out here in the alley. Don't let them in your house. And now they're just patting the dude down. I don't know.
What we got? So I'll get his ID. Apparently it might have come from that field over there. But he said that he saw them running back there again.
I'm not giving them my ID. These motherfucking dudes don't know their rights. They just come and knocked on this dude's door, banging on it, woke him up. And now it's fucking making him show his ID. Fucking out of their mind.
you doing?
All right.
Did you see it come from over here at all?
Man, I fucking woke me up out of bed, sleep, man.
We heard it from East Avenue and Hanover Street.
Oh my God. Yeah, it happened either this morning or yesterday, and it shook our whole house.
Yeah, that's what somebody else said too.
My wife. But I think she's confused. I think it was this morning because she texted me. It was like, I woke her up and it shook the whole house and scared her to death.
Yeah,
it was like an explosion.
So there was one earlier in the morning.
So I don't know what it is, but I ain't gonna fuck around with nobody. They fuck around my house. You know what I mean?
Yeah, just give us a call if you see anything.
Oh yeah. All right, man. Yeah, I fucking will not be calling anybody. I handle my own business.
Dad,
Yeah.
you should look over there by the sidewalk, like right behind the truck, and see if you see anything. Because that's where I see the smoke. Mom's like, they're probably trying to throw fireballs at our truck.
Probably.
It wasn't in the back, it was in the field, but
I mean, I found a milk jug that's like tore up to shreds.
oh yeah, so that's what it was. They did some kind of like cocktail.
But I don't see any. Yeah, I don't see any. I mean, yeah, I don't see any scorch marks on it though.
That's what I'm saying. It was probably an explosion.
Chemical. Yeah, it could have been chemical.
So it's probably some type of gas that they're exploding like.
Yeah, I smell it. Smells like rotten milk.
It wasn't rotten milk making that loud of a noise.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Whatever it was, wherever you were. And also, it wouldn't smoke probably, Mom. Unless it was something that was flammable. I didn't even think about that. Something gaseous. Would something gaseous smoke?
It could set off like a smoke. Yeah, it could smoke. Like if you mix ammonia and bleach, it'll smoke, and it creates like a mustard.
I guess it will smoke, but
It creates like a mustard gas.
it was smoke like a firebomb.
Right. No, it wouldn't be that thick of a smoke. I wouldn't think.
And there was no smell though, so that it wasn't a firebomb.
Then it wasn't chemical. You'd smell it if it was a chemical.
I was gonna say if it was ammonia, you would smell it.
Yeah, it's basically mustard gas.
But yeah, there was no smell.
Your mom found that out the hard way when she mustard gassed us in the house one day. She didn't tell me. We had to run out of the house. I was like, "Did you mix ammonia and bleach?" She's like, "Yeah." I was like, "You just gassed us, bitch."
Okay, bite each other.
All right. So we don't know what it was, but it was a monster explosion. It's probably all set up from the Hamilton police.
He fucking with me, Voodoo. Don't have him bite your phone.
You hear me? It's probably all set up from the Hamilton police. Getting somebody having responses. Hush! And having responses so that they can blow me up and fucking kill me. And say, well, there's been a string of explosions over there. You know what I mean? I wouldn't put it past the dirty motherfuckers.
My dog, he ran up to him.
All right, y'all. Rowdy Patriot. Out.